English story for beginners with the moral, don't waste time. It uses easy vocabulary and short sentences, great for English speaking practice. 3 o'clock, the value of time. Moral, don't waste time. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a boy named Amit. Amit was a cheerful boy. He liked to laugh, play, and talk with his friends. But there was one big problem: he always wasted time. Every morning, his mother would wake him up and say, "Amit, get up. It's time to go to school." But Amit would say, "5 more minutes, Ma. I'm feeling sleepy." Then he would sleep again. Because of this habit, Amit was always late to school. Sometimes he forgot his books, sometimes he forgot his lunch. His teachers liked him because he was polite, but they were worried because he never finished his homework on time. Son would face the lazy routine. Amit's day was always the same. He woke up late, went to school in a hurry, and after coming home, he threw his bag on the bed and said, "I will study later." Then he watched cartoons, played mobile games, and went out to play cricket with his friends. When his mother said, "Amit, please study first," he replied, "Don't worry, Ma. I'll study after dinner." But after dinner, he felt sleepy and said, "I will study early in the morning." And in the morning, the same story repeated: "5 more minutes, Ma." Days passed. Weeks passed. Amit's exams came near, but he was not ready. Books the day of the exam. One night before the exam, Amit finally opened his books. He tried to study, but he could not understand many lessons. He said to himself, "Oh no, I should have studied earlier." He stayed awake till midnight, but still could not finish. The next morning, he went to school looking tired and nervous. During the exam, he couldn't answer many questions. When the results came, Amit failed in 2 subjects. He felt very sad. His friends passed and were celebrating, but Amit was sitting alone under a tree thinking. He said softly, "I had the same time as my friends. They used it well, and I wasted it." Speechvaluna talked with his grandfather. That evening, Amit's grandfather came to him and asked, "Why are you so sad, my boy?" Amit told him everything about how he wasted time, how he didn't study, and how he failed. His grandfather smiled kindly and said, "Amit, do you know what is the most valuable thing in life?" Amit thought for a moment and said, "Money." Grandfather laughed. "No, my dear. It's time." He continued, "Time is like a river. It keeps flowing. Once it passes, you cannot stop it or bring it back. People who waste time are like people who throw away gold." Amit listened carefully. His grandfather added, "If you learn to use time properly, you will succeed in everything, in school, in work, in life. But if you waste it, you will always regret it." Amit nodded slowly. "I understand, Grandpa. I will never waste time again." Sunrise the change. From that day, Amit started changing his habits. He made a small daily timetable. He woke up early, brushed his teeth, and got ready for school on time. He started studying for 1 hour every evening before playing. At first, it was not easy. Sometimes he wanted to watch TV or play games. But then he remembered his grandfather's words. Time is like a river. It never comes back. He worked hard day by day. He helped his mother at home, listened carefully in class, and always completed his homework before playing. Trophy the reward. Months passed quickly. The next exam came. This time, Amit was ready. He studied all subjects and revised everything. During the exam, he felt confident. When the results came, Amit had passed all subjects with good marks. His teacher smiled and said, "Very good, Amit. You have improved so much. See what happens when you use your time wisely." Amit felt proud and happy. He ran home to tell his grandfather. His grandfather smiled and said, "I told you, my boy, time is your best friend when you respect it." Glowing star the lesson. From that day, Amit never wasted time again. He became one of the best students in his class. He learned that even 1 minute is important. He used to tell his friends, "If you waste time, time will waste you. But if you respect time, it will make you great." Light bulb moral of the story. Don't waste time. Time is very precious. Once it is gone, it never comes back. Use your time wisely and you will achieve success in life.